Hi everybody, and welcome to 3Dsurvey tutorials. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you the recorder feature, which allows you to define the desired path and record its visualization in selected viewing. You can make videos of your point cloud, mesh, CAD drawings, contour lines or volumes, or even you can combine them all. To use this feature, we first click on one of the tabs mentioned before. In this tutorial, we'll be recording our 3D mesh, so I will open the Mesh tab. At the top of the viewer, you'll see the buttons for viewing options, and the last button is the recorder button. We click on it, and the video recorder window pops up. At the top of it, you will see two tabs. The first one is Paths, and the second one is Cameras. Before recording, we must define a path of the camera. First, let's move the video recorder window to the working panel. Then, set the 3D model into the position where we want the video to start and click Add. Then, we move the model and decide where we want the second frame to be and click Add. If I scroll back, you will see the previous two camera positions and the path of the camera. Now, I'll just add a couple more camera positions. You can add as much as you want. In case you want to delete the camera, you click on it and then click Remove. If you want to change the position of a camera, you click on it, move your model to the desired position and then click Modify. When you are done, you choose the duration of the video and then click Preview. In the preview, you'll also see the cameras and the path marked. But in the original video, you won't see any of it. The only thing you will actually see in the video is your model. In the Path tab, we can rename and save the path we've made, so it can later be imported. We can also create a new path by clicking Create. After doing so, we click on path we want to record and click Record. Now, you will see the video export settings window, where we first choose the place we want to save the video to by clicking Browse. After that, we also select the frame rate and bitrate. When we have done so, we click Confirm and the recording will start. If you change the tab while the recording is taking place, it will be also seen on the video, which can be useful if you want to show more than just, in our example, 3D mesh. If at any point you think you have filmed enough, you can click Stop to end the recording. Here is an example of a video when it is finished. If you want then to record the video again or make another path of the cameras, you can click the recorder button again, if the window is not opened yet, of course. You can create a new path or import one. To record the path, you must click on it, and then you can add camera positions in the Cameras tab. That is all for this tutorial. Thank you and see you next time.